So guys, how does it feel?
After so long.
Dikshit, first time, second time in 2021. But this is my second visit to college in 2021. Today is a holiday, no students, no cars. I mean, there are cars, but it's too sunny. तो जहाँ हम रहते थे वहाँ से यहाँ कैब 12 दिरहम का आया. अगर दिसंबर नवंबर होता हम वॉकिंग आ जाते. Tim Hortons we used to have
G06.
G06, our signature classroom. So you get that Amity Dubai signature thing. Okay, Tim Hortons, let me show the viewers Tim Hortons. It's shut. Fridays and Saturdays it's shut. And this is the washroom. I'm behaving like a typical vlogger right now. This is the gents washroom, this is the ladies washroom. So I gave you 5 seconds of extra content. ये आपको ये G07 है. तो पहली जो क्लास थी we did not get the chance to copy, no, like in offline exams, then everything was online. तो हमारा जो कॉलेज लाइफ था फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, तो हम लोग का बेस्ट इसीलिए था क्योंकि वो प्री पैंडमिक एरा था, कॉलेज लाइफ का एंडिंग में था. ये है, ये देखो इंस्टाग्राम पे आपने देखा होगा सबको, यहाँ पे पिक्चर लेते हुए उड़ते हुए. ये G06 है.
Holy.
Literally, you remember the coffee you dropped? It's still here. So, guys, you can see it's massive, and so I used to set up the projector and the television and everything for the teachers. If I have any clip, I'll put it over here from Snapchat. वही में infrastructure wise, I think this is the best. But और एक सामने बन रहा है, I think Birmingham या कुछ है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. वो अच्छा, ये amphitheater है. तो एक्चुअली हम आए थे यूनिवर्सिटी के CRC डिपार्टमेंट वालों से मिलने के लिए, ठीक है. लेकिन CRC डिपार्टमेंट बंद है, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने बोला. तो इंटर्नशिप और जॉब के रिलेटेड कुछ बात करना था, CV के रिलेटेड, बट वो है नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, हम कॉल करके पूछ लेंगे. और ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर है बाय द वे. ये है आपका एम्फी थिएटर, जितने कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स और ये सब होते हैं यहीं होते हैं. और चलो फील्ड दिखाते. ये फील्ड है. फील्ड भी बहुत अच्छा है. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फील्ड्स पूरा एकेडमिक सिटी है, पूरा यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में. और ये हॉस्टल है, देखो ये. तो जितने भी पुराने स्नैपचैट में आपने जिम्स के स्नैप देखे होंगे ना, उधर है जिम, स्विमिंग पूल और हॉस्टल उधर है. I was camera shy, but then after shooting 100 or 150 vlogs, then I became very confident on camera. It's like I'm talking to some person.
One person or million? You're talking
I mean, okay, someday I will definitely talk to millions. But it depends on, see, he's making fun of me, so it's better you subscribe and share this video so that more and more people get to see it.
I'm not making fun.
By the way, I'm very confused whether I should upload this vlog on the new channel or the old channel or both. Let's upload it on both and see.
Both.
Both. That's the hostel, no?
Yes, that's the one.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside.
That's the real question. So this is the counselor's office.
Yes.
And if you can't decide on what program you're looking for,
Yeah.
this is the place.
Is your Wi-Fi working?
I got it connected. You get your Wi-Fi connected. I got it connected yesterday.
Okay.
Oh, this lift opens from both sides. This is the staff room, and this is the iconic canteen. And it's not iconic, but it is a canteen. So you can see this. I love free sanitizer. Okay, so this is the library. Now we are going to the library. I shot the same vlog in 2019. It's still there at this location. But that time it was more cinematic kind of a thing. Okay, so this area is only for teachers. This area. Teachers or some officials who've come. Students cannot sit here. Yeah, a very studious person is there inside. So from the ground floor, I showed you that amphitheater. This is that amphitheater. So in this vlog, you'll just see the campus, okay? Nothing more. Yeah. This is the lobby area. Lounge. This is not lobby, this is lounge. So we just, when we got off the cab, we got off over there. Then this is the first floor now. We've got so many memories here, no? So in this vlog, I won't be able to show you much fancy editing and stuff, but it's more about the content. Yeah. So guys, this is the iconic CRC. So if you want help for jobs, and we can come here for alumni relations also. Dikshit, we can come here for alumni relations. If you want good relations with the university.
Oh, actually, this is CRC. You have to meet the EM.
Yeah. So internship job के लिए आपको इधर आना है और सिक्योरिटी ने अभी बोला कि इट्स नॉट अलाउड डे से घूम रहे हो आप कॉलेज में क्या कर रहे हो अब फीस पे हो गया आप खत्म भूल जाओ. Okay, so this elevator is special because it has a policy, 3% policy. Okay, this is the most important fee counter. Okay, so ये यहाँ पे आपको आते रहना होगा बार बार. You're booking a cab from where to here to where?
131 only there is. We'll take a cab.
तो यहाँ पीछे पे जो आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर होता है आपका. Are you booking a cab?
What do you want to do?
We could decide that here. No, inside it's very hot here. We'll decide what to do. तो यहाँ ही तक था एमिटी का टूर, ठीक है. और बाकी का जो हाँ अभी हम डिसाइड करें कि मैं कहाँ जाना है. When we were students, I mean we're still students, and we're not allowed to sit here.
Dubai Mall போட்ற mall. என்ன சாப்பிடலாம்?
If your visa and everything okay, your visa, your any other problem you have the university, you have to come to student hub. And yeah, this is the auditorium is there. Okay, you have to go this way. And अभी हम जा रहे हैं दुबई मॉल. हम वेट कर रहे हैं कैब के लिए. बस यही है. So इस फ़ोन का मेरे को बैटरी चेंज कराना है, ठीक है. तो
this is the app you have to download. Apple support.
Okay, download it. We have Wi-Fi here. Download it. तो इधर ऐप डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, फिर दुबई मॉल में सर्विस हो जाएगा. कैब आ चुकी है. मैं चाहता हूँ वाईफाई में हो जाए इधर. इट्स अ बिगर कैब दिस टाइम. वैन, इसको वैन बोलते करीम के ऐप पे. What changes did you find in college? Any major change?
Nothing.
Still the same.
Still the same, but people.
Yeah, people, teachers. We had the best combination of teachers and batchmates. That was really nice. Academic City looks very great.
There are certain things you wouldn't see in the vlog, which will be in the unedited vlogs. So for that, you have to please join Nation Show.
You have to join OnlyFans or Dikshit. Checking.
American University Dubai.
Yeah, before Amity. No, yeah, the back side of this Amity was there, no? In this, yeah, one floor, like you can see Curtin, Middlesex, and UK. This is the main building of Academic City. Amity का campus पर इसमें था एक floor. Oh, what's the battery performance?
Wait, it got disconnected.
That's Silicon Oasis, no?
Yes.
That is Silicon Oasis. Why are you laughing at Silicon Oasis?
Nothing. Inside jokes.
Yeah,
You will never
off
understand.
record. You will never
Off
understand.
record.